In this video, I'll guide you through how to approve leave in Zoho People. If you're a manager, team lead, or HR admin using Zoho People, approving leave requests is probably something you'll do pretty often. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confidently approve or reject a request. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho People account and that you have the right permissions to manage leave approvals. Usually, this means you're set up as a reporting manager or given specific approval rights by your HR or admin team. If you don't see the options mentioned in this video, you may need to check your access with your system administrator. To get started, go to the Leave section in Zoho People. You'll typically find this in the main navigation menu. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Leave or Leave Tracker, but look for the option related to attendance or time off. Click on that to open the Leave module. This is where all leave-related information, such as balances and requests, is managed. Once you're in the Leave section, the next step is to click on Approvals. This is the dedicated area where you'll see any pending leave requests that require your action. The Approvals option might appear as a tab, a button, or a menu item, but it will clearly indicate that it's related to approving or managing requests. Go ahead and click Approvals to open the list of items waiting for your review. You should now see a list of pending leave requests. Each entry typically includes basic details like the employee's name, the dates requested, the type of leave, and the current status. To review any specific request in more detail, open the pending leave request by clicking on it. This will bring up the full leave request details on your screen. Take a moment to carefully review the details. Look at the start and end dates, the type of leave being requested, and any comments or notes the employee may have added. You might also want to check the employee's leave balance, overlap with important deadlines, or potential conflicts with other team members' time off. If your organization has set up workflows, you may see information about prior approvals or any conditions linked to that particular leave type. As you review, it's a good idea to make sure the request fits within your team's scheduling needs and your company's leave policies. If anything is unclear, you can pause here, reach out to the employee for clarification, or coordinate with HR before you make your final decision. Once you're satisfied and ready to act, look for the options to approve or reject the request. In Zoho People, this is usually as simple as clicking Approve or Reject, often displayed at the bottom or top of the request window. If you're approving, you may want to add a brief confirmation note, especially if your organization encourages that. If you're rejecting, it's helpful and often expected to include a short explanation so the employee understands the reason. After you click Approve or Reject, the system will update the status of the request and the employee will typically receive a notification about your decision. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly and accurately manage leave requests in Zoho People, keeping your team organized and your leave records up to date.